Why to spend money on something which you can do yourself? I have seen many people spend lot of money on logos, banners, thumbnails, channel art and many more things for their business. But do we really need to spend this much? Hi, I am Kokila and you're watching my channel Tech Kokila. Let's take a scenario from our daily routine where your family wants to eat pizza now and you know how to make it with all the veggies you have, and also you have the best oven to bake it. So what will you do? Now let's discuss the two sides of the coin. If you are making it at home or you order it, if you are making it at home, so no dependency on anyone, but here you have to be dependent, unnecessary panic. If it is taking so much time, what the hell has happened to him? जब तक आएगा तब तक तो ठंडा ही हो जाएगा. इससे अच्छा तो घर में ही बना लेते. If you are baking it at home, full choice of your veggies, how much you want, which one you want. But if you are ordering it, no full choice of veggies, you can't say to them, please paneer थोड़ा ज़्यादा डाल देना. That's funny, right? Any day, anytime you can eat it if you are baking at home. Did you had pizza in full lockdown corona times? For this, you already know the answer. And on the top, almost zero cost compared to if you order it from outside. And you know the best part? Whenever we make something, be it food, some painting or any other DIY, do it yourself, that gives satisfaction. If it is loved by everyone, then it's like Sone pe suhaga, I mean cherry on the cake. So, with this long example, I hope I am able to tell you that like pizza, you can also make logos, banners for your business. I am telling you, when you will do it, you would say it's super easy and fun to do. I know many of you still thinking that we can't do because we are not creative. It's need creativity. But trust me guys, the website I'm telling you is super awesome. So many templates, I mean creative templates are already there. You can just take it, edit it, save it and use it for your business. So let's begin. Hi, this is the website I was talking about. This is Canva. So I have already logged in using my account. Now I want to show you how you can use this website for your logo making, YouTube intro, thumbnail and for all other things for your business. So this is my free plan. It has 8,000 plus free templates as you can see. Now I can make a logo here. These are inbuilt templates, inbuilt logos, animated, gaming, badge, art and design, different types of logos are there, and these are text, videos, background if I want to change, some elements I want to put. Say I want to use this type of logo. Now I want the text to be changed. So there are different options available. I can change its size, I can change its type also, color, underline, I want its alignment to be changed, bullets, spacing between text and some effects also. Now if I want to make it say Tech Kokila, that is my channel's name, like this, and I am into technology, so I am putting technology. Now I want orientation, right? Now I want backgrounds to be changed. Instead of using this color, I want something like this. So I am using this thing. Once I am happy with the design, so I'll download it. There are different options available. You can share the link, you can present it, you can record it, you can put directly this on Facebook page, Twitter. So I am just downloading it. Now you can use this logo. Now I want to make YouTube channel art. So one great thing in Canva is the sizes of channel art, logos, thumbnails are all fixed as per your Facebook, as per YouTube, Instagram. So you don't need to worry. Say my channel is music. Say I'm taking this thing, this template, showing that it is free. Now I can change whatever I want to. My channel says big technology always, right? Like this. I can reposition it. Now I don't want this line, so I can delete it, change its background. So I can use this also. I can use any of the color. Now here also, if you want some elements to be part of this channel art, I can search it.
remove it. I can use this. I can change its size, position it anywhere you want. It just needs bit of creativity and you are really done. I can use this also. So once you are happy with your design, you can download it. Now again, if I want to edit it, if I want this, now it's totally depends on you, how you want your channel art to be. And you can really make a good channel art, make good logos, and you're ready for your business.
I think if I can do it, anybody can do it. So make your designer logos, channel art, thumbnail for your business. And guys, I really need your support. So please subscribe to my channel. You just need to click on the text in the red below this video. If you really like my video, click on the thumbs up icon and show your love. You can also watch my earlier videos here. You can also learn HTML and show me your love.